higher education also is a place of privilege that I want to take advantage of, but also spread that privilege to other people. My childhood was very fun. I remember just playing outside. I grew up in Eagle Mountain, so just riding bikes. When I was a senior in high school, I had 2 universities in mind to go to. I talked to Marisa King, she's the director of student leadership involvement, because my mom babysat her kids. And so I've known her for a little while. She was like, I have a job opening for the office that I work at for student leadership involvement. You should apply for it. And I was like, okay. So then I applied for UVU, I applied for the job, and just started working at the UVUSA clubs office. Last year, I was a fellow at the Center for Social Impact. I was a community organizing activism fellow. So I coordinated the Clothesline Project last year, and that was basically, it's a traditional event for UVU, for the center, that they display t-shirts from victims of sexual assault and domestic abuse, and it's just the stories of these victims, and we display them. So I was just really proud of myself, because I was like, wow, I did, I don't know, just looking at it, I was like, dang, I did that. And the people that would come up to me during the exhibit or even after, and just kind of told me how much it meant to them, or people that they knew that have gone through that, or if they've gone through that. And so that was just something that really made me, I don't know, just proud of the effort that I put into it. What higher education means to me is being more educated about the world, communities, people. I feel very privileged to be in higher education, because I know that a lot of people would love to be in my place. When it becomes really hard, right? When it's classes are just sucking, or exams come up, and just stress, I just always have to remind myself there's so many people that would, especially women around the world, that would kill to be where I am right now. And so I think higher education also is a place of privilege that I want to take advantage of, but also spread that privilege to other people who deserve to be where I am. I think the reason why I look back at my time at UVU so fondly is because of my decision to get involved in different kinds of spaces and to take advantage of that. Because I think one thing that UVU does really well is provide opportunities for students. So I think that if students don't take advantage of that, then they'll miss out on a lot that UVU has to offer for them.